Reports on special purpose framework are issued in conjunction with what? So basically, what basis can we use to issue those special purpose framework reports based on what? Can we use cash basis? And the answer is yes. When you work with a small or a medium-sized CPA firm, this is where I worked when I was in practice, we did a lot of cash basis. Why? Because small businesses, they prepare their financial statements on cash basis. So if one is correct, I can take out C because one is in A, one is in B, and one is in D. Income tax basis. Can you prepare special purpose framework? Can you issue them based on income tax basis? Same thing, and the answer is yes. Also small businesses. So now I can take out A because A does not have to. I can keep B and keep D. All what I need to know now, can I issue those special purpose framework based on regulatory basis of accounting? And the answer is yes. Sometimes you have to issue them based on regulatory basis. Now there are special rules for regulatory basis, but you need to know that you have to issue them based on that. Therefore, the answer is D as in David. D as in David. You could also issue those special purpose framework based on contractual basis. Anything that you agreed with the client, but you have to spell it out clearly and you have to include it in the report. Let's take a look at this question. When the CPA reports on a financial statements prepared on cash basis. What is cash basis? Cash basis is a special purpose framework.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website, farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.